Okay, children, let us play mathematical addition game. Okay. Now I give the number cards from 1 to 50. 1 to 50 number cards to each group. Okay. You take any two cards. You take any two cards from these. Then you should add them. Then the sum is less than 50. You got only 1 point. If the sum you get more than 50, you get 5 points. So this way you can play 5 times. Okay, 5 times. So finally, who get more points, they will be winner of the game. Okay, are you ready? Play the game. Okay. Who is group A? Yours. You group A, you group B. Okay, group A, group B. Okay, first I mix the all these cards. Now you take any from this. You take you ఏమైనా రెండు కార్డ్స్ తీసుకో ఇందులో నుంచి నీ ఇష్టం ఇవేనా రైట్ సో taken cards 30 to 49. So what is the sum of this?
81.
Yes, you are right, 81. So 81 is more than 50. So group A got 5 points. Group A got 5 points. Okay. Okay, now I'll mix these cards in this. One time is over. 4 times remaining. Okay. You take any 2 cards from this. Whatever you take. Okay. So taken cards are 45, 23.
68.
What is the sum of these?
68.
68. Oh, you got this is 68 is more than 50. So you also got 5 points. You also got 5 points. Yes. Now it's your time. Okay. Now you take any 2. Take anyone. ఇంకా ఏదో ఒకటి తీసుకో ఇందులో నీ ఇష్టం. Okay, right. So taken cards are 45 plus 1. How much is 45 plus 1? 46. 46 is less than 50. So you got only 1 point. We have gotten only 1 point. Group 1. Group A. Don't do like that. Next it's time for group B. It's time for group B. Listen to me. Don't talk. Listen. Okay. Take any 2. These 2. 35 plus 18. 18 taken cards are 35, 18. So what is the sum of these? Sum of the total. 43. Do properly. Addition. 4 tens, 5 ones, 8 ones, 13 ones. 13 ones, 10 ones make bundle. 10 plus 3. So 5 tens, 3 ones. How much is total? 53. So it is also more than 50. So you got 5 points. More than 50. So you got 5 points. So yes. No need. So it's time for you. Take. Whatever you take. ఏదైనా తీసుకుని ఇష్టం. ఓకే. Right. Taken cards are 43 and 38. So what is the sum of these?
70. 81.
Yes, 81. Why? 4 tens, 3 tens, 7 tens, 8 ones, 3 ones, 11 ones. 11 ones we make a bundle. 1 bundle plus 1 ones. So 1 10, 7 10, 8 tens, 1 ones. So 81. The sum is 81. So 81 is more than 50. So you got 5 points. You got 5 points. So next. Okay. Okay. You take any two. You take any two. You take. Okay. Okay. Taken cards are 38 plus 18. What is the sum of this? 49. Is it correct? 18 plus 38. 8 ones, 8 ones, 16 ones. 16 ones we make it as 110 plus 1. 88, 16. 16, yes. 16 and 16 means 10, 110, 6 ones. So 3 1, 4 1, 5 ones, 5 tens. 50 plus 6, 56. 56. So 56 is more than 50. So you got, group B have got 5 points. Yes. Now it's time for 18. You take any two. Give. Okay. So taken cards are 37, 20. What is the sum of these?
66.
Yes, you are right. 66. So 66 is more than 50. So you got 5 points. You got 5 points. Next. Next. Take any two cards. Okay, taken cards are here 41, 30. How much is total? 71. 71 is more than 50. So you got 50 points. 5 points. You got 5 points. Okay, now last round. Now it is last round. This will be decided winner of the game. Okay. Okay. Now right. Take any two. Okay, here now taken cards are 43 and 38. Hey, keep them. 43 plus 38. What is the sum of these?
81.
Yes, you are right. 81. So 81 is more than 50. So you have gotten 5 points. Yes. So it's your time. Now it's Okay. Now take any two. You come to near. Take any two. Okay. Taken cards are 45 plus 40. What is the sum of these? 85. 85 is more than 50. So you have gotten 5 points. Okay. Now it's time for result. Yes. We add. So group 1. 5 plus 1 6. Okay. 1 2 3 4. 4 5s 20. 4 5s 20. 20 plus 1 21. So group A got 21 points. Next group B. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 5s how much? 25. So group B got 25 points. Who is the winner here? So B group is winner. So clap for B group. Okay, congratulations. Keep it up. You are the winners of this game. Okay, you don't feel bad. So you try to win the next time. Okay. You don't feel sad. Okay, all of you claps. Claps all of you. Big claps.